In this tutorial, we'll learn how we can hide fields and sections on the record page in SmartSuite. Let's go. So I will start by expanding a record, and let me put it to the full screen mode so you can see it better. Now, the main purpose of this feature is to make your record page look cleaner and hide the fields that your users are not necessarily needing to see in their everyday work. Oftentimes that could be formulas, some intermediate calculations, or technical stuff, you name it. Now, we want to go to the three dots menu up above and pick the page settings option. And here at the top, we've added several new tabs, and we are interested in the fields tab in this case. You will see that this tab lists all the fields that exist in a given table. They are grouped by a section which corresponds to the current layout, and then there is an eye icon showing next to each field, which means that clicking on this eye icon, we can easily toggle the field's visibility, like in this case, sub-items. One click and it goes away. One click and it appears back again. So here's how you can easily remove the fields. Now, important to understand that this option does not affect field permissions in any way. It only works within the scope of the record page, and it just hides the fields or makes them visible. Now, what if you have a section that contains a bunch of these technical fields? Do you want or do you need to hide them one by one? Well, no, of course not, because in this case, you can easily hide the entire section, like so, and you can bring it back. Now, you might have noticed that when you hover the field, there are two more icons that are shown. One is the gear icon, which brings up the settings of a field, like this, and another one stands for fields permissions, which makes it really easy to manage your fields from this tab. And the last thing I want to mention is the find feature, because in cases you work with larger layouts with hundreds and hundreds of fields, it might not be always easy to find the field that you want. So just type in the field name or a part of it, and it will show in the search results down below. I hope it was useful, and thank you for watching.